Hi, today on the galley, beautiful, fresh, summertime corn salad. Now this corn salad is quick to make, and it's the perfect thing to make and throw in the refrigerator, and then you have this perfect, beautiful salad that's going to accompany anything you're taking off the grill for a quick and easy summertime dinner. So you're going to want 6 ears of corn, and this is how I cut my corn. I have a bowl, and I have this in here. And that way when I cut it and the corn goes flying, it goes flying right into my bowl. They had this beautiful corn, 6 ears for $3. What a deal. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the corn from the cob. So I've got a cast iron heating up over here. So get your pan heating up while you're cutting your corn. This doesn't take long. And we're just going to give this corn a really quick saute. So I like to save my cobs if I have room in my freezer, because then I like to make a corn stock with it for a beautiful corn chowder. So if anybody's interested in seeing corn chowder, let me know. And then you just take that bowl out of there. Look how much corn that is. How much salad that's going to make. So I've got about a tablespoon of butter in my pan. We're just going to give this a quick saute. Not very long. I don't want to overcook the corn. Half a teaspoon of kosher salt. And we're going to do a little black pepper. And while this is cooking, we're going to get started on our vinaigrette for this salad. So for your vinaigrette, you're going to want the zest of 1 lime and the juice of 2 limes. 2 tablespoons of white wine or red wine vinegar. 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. 1 tablespoon of honey. I'm going to do about 1/8 of a teaspoon of fresh cracked pepper and about 1/2 of a teaspoon of kosher salt. We're going to give that a good shake. Now we're going to set this aside until we're ready for it. Our corn is done, so we're going to add our corn back to our bowl. Now set this aside to cool while you chop all of your vegetables for this salad. So I'm going to do 2 green onions. I'm going to do the whites and most of the green as well. I've got some ice water here. I'm going to soak these in ice water till I'm ready for them, and that's going to help take that real pungent onion taste from them. Next, I have 1 cucumber, and I went ahead and peeled mine. And I'm also going to, if it's really seedy, cut the seeds out. And then I just want to give that a nice bite-sized chop. Now I'm going to do about a cup of cherry tomatoes. The bigger ones like this, I'm going to quarter. And the smaller ones, I'm just going to cut in half. Put this right here so you can see how pretty. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that so colorful? It just screams summer. I'm going to do about 2 cups of baby spinach. So I'm going to chiffonade some fresh basil, 8 to 10 leaves. I think you can go one of 2 ways here. I think you can do like a basil kind of feta thing, or I think you can do a cilantro like Cotija thing and kind of take it southwest. Today I'm going to do the basil and the feta. So I'm just going to give that a quick chiffonade. And for the feta, I'm going to do, and I think this is kind of up to you, but I'm going to do 1/4 to 1/2 cup, probably closer to 1/2 cup. So I'm just going to crumble that in there. One thing about this salad is there's so many different textures and colors and flavors. Drained my green onions. Now let's give this a toss. I almost need a bigger bowl, don't I? So beautiful. And let's give that another good shake for that dressing. Nice, light, crisp. We're going to pour that over. Now, just like all of your salads that you make like this, let them sit for a little bit and let those flavors really develop. And this is going to sit in your refrigerator 5 to 6 days, and it's going to help make you such easy summer dinners when you just pair this with a grilled piece of fish or a grilled chicken breast or even a steak, even if you're just having a sandwich. And this is just how easy it is for you to make dinner. You're going to pull your beautiful corn salad out of the fridge on your plate, off of the grill. Got a beautiful piece of grilled chicken here, a little bit of barbecue seasoning. We're going to top that with that barbecue compound butter and let that melt into the chicken. Instant sauce, and you're gonna have this beautiful, easy summertime dinner in no time. Thanks for watching, y'all. Hope everybody's having a safe and happy summer. See you later. Bye.